Hey guys, Nate Bowling with Dad Bod Outdoors again. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to be going over with you a way that I've found to prepare and can trout, which I find to be the best way to cook it. Of course, my opinion is my own, and of course you have your own opinion, but I highly recommend that you try this out. So let's check it out. Alright, so what we're going to be doing today is actually canning trout, as in mason jar canning trout. So a few things that you'll need in order to do so. Of course, all your canning equipment, plus whatever it is that you want to can your trout in. There are many various different types of recipes that you can try. Now, we're going to be canning ours today in buffalo wing sauce with a combination of a little bit of hot sauce, your choice, and also a little bit of cooking oil. Of course, you'll also need the trout, which these have already been caught and prepared, and you're going to need a good, strong, sturdy knife. Nothing like a fillet knife or something that'll give away with you. You want something that's got a good, strong blade to it, good backbone, because you're actually going to be cutting through the trout, through the bones, and through the fish itself. So you can't have a knife that's got a really flimsy blade. You want something that's got a good stout blade to it. So let's get started. Alright, so to start off, we're going to take our trout and cut them into lengths, little steaks, so to speak, that are usually about the length of the jar, give or take, somewhere. Don't forget about your head space. So we're going to start by just taking that good, strong, sharp knife, cutting through the trout, like so, hopefully. Trying to cut each section relatively even to the last. It's just my preferred method of doing business. Making sure you get all the way through. Until all of your trout are done. Alright guys, so next, after you've had your fish cut and sliced up and you've filled the jar full of it, then you're going to start adding your cooking oil, followed by your hot sauce, and once again your buffalo sauce. Now the amount that I've already added some to the other two jars, the amount that you add, of course, depends on your taste buds. I add just a little bit of cooking oil as a filler. I actually filled these two jars up about a third of the way. Then we're going to add the hot sauce in accordance to your taste buds, however it is you like, however much it is that you like. I like spicy, so I like to add a lot of hot sauce, and of course the buffalo sauce. With this, you're actually going to try to top the jar off and make sure you fill in all the little air bowls. After you've filled all of your jars up, then we're going to seal them up and stick them in a canner. I'm going to use not the pressure canner, just a regular canner today. It takes about 2.5 hours. So I know it's a long time. It actually takes about 2.5 hours to can the trout. And get them prepared and fully cooked, or not fully cooked, but to get the trout prepared to a manner in which you can eat them. We haven't deboned them, haven't de-skinned them, anything. The bones, meat, everything is in here. So you want to can them for a good long time in order to soften up all the bones that are in the trout. So let's take a look at the next step. Next, once the canner is up to temperature, can for 2.5 hours. Alright guys, there you have it, the hard-earned fruits of your labor. The trout is thoroughly cooked through the canning process. All the bones inside the fish are soft enough that you don't have to worry about it and just eat it. I couldn't help myself when I hadn't dove in and taste tested one of the jars. I will say on this particular batch I used a little bit too much cooking oil, not quite enough buffalo sauce, so you don't have that punch of flavor, so to speak, that I had with the last batch that I did, but it's still pretty good. So like I said, all you do is grab a little piece, stick it on a cracker, and bon appetit. Hope you enjoy. We'll see you next time.